up, it is this house with the light on. See, keep going, keep going.
Yep.
Keep going, keep going. That's good right there. That's good right there. Big ditch.
I'm gonna fall this hard. I'm gonna get away. Hey, G, can you walk that spot right here?
Hit it.
Occupants of 3349 McGuire Drive. This is the Richmond Police Department. We have a search warrant for this residence. Come out the front door with your hands up and follow the officer's command. Occupants of 3349 McGuire Drive. This is the Richmond Police Department. We have a search warrant for this residence. Come out the front door with your hands up and follow the officer's command.
I'm going to be giving him command.
And then looking out the top window. I think.
Occupants of 3349 McGuire Drive. This is the Richmond Police Department. We have a search warrant for the residence. Come out the front door with your hands up and follow the officer's command. Occupants of 3349 McGuire Drive. This is the Richmond Police Department. We have a search warrant for the residence. Come out the front door with your hands up and follow the officer's command.
One of us is going to get
Occupants of
dropped and stuck on the
3349
stairs as soon as we
McGuire
come in.
Drive. This is the Richmond Police Department. We have a search warrant for the residence.
You're making entry.
Come out the front door with your hands up and follow the officer's command.
And then you'll take care of anything else we need. You ready?
Yep. All three, so you won't be on the covering the windows.
Occupants of 3349 McGuire Drive. This is the Richmond Police Department. We have a search warrant for the residence. Come out the front door with your hands up and follow the officer's command.
Alright. Alright, you ready to set that for him?
Sit.
Yep.
Sit.
Sit.
Try it.
Say it again.
Alright.
Say it.
Alright, move on up. Give it a couple knocks.
Richmond Police!
Breach.
Move in
Breach.
right here in the window.
Breach.
Door. Police, come to the door.
Richard, please!
Man.
I'm scared.
Please, come to me!
Hey.
I'm visiting.
Come to me!
What the hell going on?
Come to our voice.
I'm visiting.
Where's you
I
going?
got this, Tony.
Where's
It's under the table. It's under the table.
I don't live here. I'm
Walk.
visiting. I'm
Walk.
Walk to us. Come this way.
Yes, sir.
Come this way.
Get her.
Put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Walk to me.
Please, come on the door. Keep coming. I'm gonna push up, block this hallway. I got you. I got you. Listen
I
up.
don't live here.
Hold on, Tony.
I don't got no cuffs.
Oh my God, what happened? I just came over here.
I don't have do we want to pull him out?
Shoes. No, we're gonna go.
Do we want to pull him to the
Another
front
door over
door?
there, okay?
Cody, you want to go to the front door?
Yeah.
Hey, somebody.
Where's the gun?
Sir, I don't live here.
Hey, roll towards me.
Contact cover and we'll bring it back in.
Alright. Bring the medic up.
It's coming up.
Come back.
Can you work him here? Do you need to bring him out? Taking him outside.
I'll help you.
Help him.
I got him. Got it? Ready? Ready? Go.
We go. Behind the ARV.
Right there. You got it? Sir, what's your name? My bag's here.
You got it? All right.
Yeah.